We have been meeting as the National State Funeral Organizing Committee this morning, joined by the family of the late His Excellency President Mwai Kibaki. We have finalized preliminary plans for the state funeral of His Excellency President Mwai Kibaki. We would like the public to know that this will take place on Friday the 29th of April 2022 at Nyayo National Stadium, and President Kibaki will then be laid to rest in Odaya Nyeri on Saturday 30th April 2022. And finally, reiterate the commitment of the government, as was outlined by His Excellency our President yesterday, that President Kibaki will be given a state send-off with the highest honors because of the distinct service he rendered to our country. That's all for now, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining us.